480 bagger with 14 head weighed machine by Sensograph. This machine is suitable for packing of snacks items, grocery items, hardware items, confectionery items, frozen foods, etc. Timing hopper is used to increase the speed of packaging. Before packaging, food are inspected with a metal detector. Online thermal transfer printer is installed on the machine. Uniform belt pressure mechanism ensures uniform pressure on paper and produces wrinkle-free pouches. The operation of the machine can be managed using the digital controller. Machine produces 60 to 80 packets per minute. Motorized trolley movement with option of fully automated trolley movement. This machine is appreciable due to its features that include maintenance-free, longer service life, easy loading and unloading, and higher capacity. Special features of 480 bagger with 14 head weigher are: online metal detector, air shaft for easy loading of film roll, motorized trolley movement with option of fully automated trolley movement, timing hopper, online thermal transfer printer. All these features are only for you to produce high quality, accurate, leak-proof pouches continuously and constantly of speed on as high as 80 pouches per minute. The accuracy, high speed, flexibility, easy operation, and cost are the features of the machine. You can rest assured with high quality time in delivery and post-sales service.